Self-imposed Citizen Coalition for Change Secretary General Sengizo Tshabangu continues to lose the grip on the party as the senior party members continues to defy his orders. Mune Zimbabwe sanamina mashoko atikuna Sengizo Tshabangu anoluza power nda kuti ma senior party members ake aiwa anojamuka aiwa appointment yake kuti aite mutungamiri opposition parliament. Don't ever subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. The latest blow to Tshabangu is the refusal by the Midlands Province Senator Siseu Zvidzai to the position of Deputy Chief Whip for the opposition in the Senate. Zvidzai was among more than a dozen of C lawmakers who were appointed to various committees by Sengizo Tshabangu, who claims to be the party's interim Secretary General. He was Chief Whip in the Senate before Parliament cancelled appointments that had been made by Jameson Timber on the basis that he had no right to make the appointments. Do mashuka rubuda panapa zvinzi aiwa Sengizo Tshabangu anonzi ana right yekuita ma appointments. Sengizo Tshabangu anonzi aiwa hazi mutungamiri wedu. Tinoona Siseu Zvidzai anova senator we the Midlands Province anotaura mashoko kuti aiwa Sengizo Tshabangu angamboiti mutungamiri wedu we opposition mu parliament ojamukirwa nevanhu. Zvachimbotodzai mafunguro enyu kuti munoti pamusoro pekuluza power kwaSengizo Tshabangu kune ma prominence kana kuti ma senior members e-CCC. Tudzai mafunguro enyu pinai mu comment section medu. Saka no subscribe, like, on the